treat it.
No, hold this.
Right. Well.
Hold this.
Okay. There's some treats in my pocket. Do you want them?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit down.
Do you bring up there, Roy? Oh, the back's filling up too much. Should we leave it alone?
The dog would not come up the stairs. Oh, I have to hurt you. Where's it fucking go? You film.
Okay.
Wow, it's cold. Right. Let's have a read.
Bloody hell, that's cold.
Gonna get wet.
How do I make it hot? It's on the hot. Oh yeah.
It's really warm, isn't it?
Here we go.
Look at his little feet.
Hey.
Is that alright? Is that cool?
Oh, Polo.
That's fine.
Daddy. Oh, flipping heck.
I'll try.
I want to try and get his little face.
There's the bed.
Daddy.
Not yet?
Oh.
Covered them in water? Go on.
Hot dog. Need a hot dog.
Yeah.
You can have your dentist stick after this. Probably some more.
What's that shampoo in? Is that tea tree?
Yeah.
Hold on. At the Hello, look. Oi.
He's scared, so he's in between my legs.
Oh.
See the pig? I need some more for his head.
Under some pig.
On his legs.
Hello, look. Oh yes, there you go.
Gotta have your back.
Do you want me to?
Arch his back.
Do you want me to stand in the middle?
Can't go on, you're gonna get wet.
That's fine. If there's just leggings, it's all good.
It's alright, can we get back to waterproof?
Oh, you just completely sprayed me. Oh, I hate when you get wet socks because now I've got a wet sock.
He's trying to lift his leg up.
Oh, I don't think he's strong enough to get out anyway, to be honest, not gonna lie.
He's too scared to get out now.
Oh.
Don't slap him.
Fanny. You're not happy, are you?
Hello, little face. It's just
Yeah, that's okay.
Right then.
rinse.
Time for the
Lather and repeat.
Time for the rinse.
I knew you were gonna say that. I knew one of you was gonna say that.
Look at her. Tom, deal with lax. You want to get Polo out.
My back is killing right now.
He actually looks really happy though.
If you press the screen.
He actually looks.
The idea of getting in the back. Yeah, exactly.
No, you can't get out.
Need some water over here.
He like actually looks really happy.
What?
He's got his mouth open. I don't know if that's really
Then you
scary.
realise it's not something to be afraid of.
I'm gonna see.
And the Labradors are meant to like water.
Yeah.
Average Labrador. We ain't got an average Labrador.
Polo dodges puzzles puddles on purpose. Hello, matey.
Use that first and we'll go all around.
Do you actually like having a bath now? Cause it's
Ow.
Tom, I was dead after just carrying him into the other room to try and get him to not go in the other room again.
Oh, I've got an itch on my head.
Well,
That's real. That's some don't.
oh. I like when his ears do that. I know that's not a good thing, but it's so cute. I mean, it's like 7 o'clock. What?
Oh, is there
Oh,
any-
it's 20 to 8.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
So, left on the top. It's right head, I need the right head. Turn him round to his head.
I don't want to get a view of any of your bums, but you're making it really hard not to do that.
Sophie, come here. You gone?
Sophie Willing.
Abby.
Yeah. That pig. Get right in there.
He won't, he's got his hair.
You do it.
I need some water. Need some more water.
You got some water. Got it. Yeah, let's just talk.
That'll work.
I'm gonna escape.
No escaping, no escaping.
Problem is, he's sitting in the Sophie water and he's bumble, Sophie.
Hi, you're right.
Well then,
Okay.
I think also, I think it's squeaky clean now. Also squeaky clean. Alright? Right. Yeah.
God, it's hot.
Just on the floor.
Yeah, there's actually no room because the shower curtain's on the floor.
Right. Okay, shower curtain.
Someone go out the room and take the shower curtain. We need to lift him out.
Okay. Right. Oh. Do you want me to lift him out on the towel?
Yes, please.
Right, we need with a towel.
Come on, Edge, come.
Alright.
On the towel. Good boy.
I'm all hairy again.
Well, we'll do that in a minute.
Yay. Sit on the
I think
toilet.
can you get that other one of them other towel, that white towel there? Alright, because it's gonna shake.
Hey, I'm hairy.
Me too, Tom, but we can do ourselves. We need some downstairs. Come here, give me your foot. Bring this down for me.
Where, Holly? I'm getting that. Always backed into the car. Where? Where is it?
Right, give me all the towels. All the towels. Give me all the
Lovely.
Give the towel too.
I'm completely soaked. Are you?
I'll sort me in. I'll sort the bathroom in a minute. Just gonna let
Here you are.
Hello.
Be careful it doesn't follow you out.
No, not yet. Until he's finished.
Say bye